Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Cycle Fanatics. I got the beast right here, 2500 Silverado LTZ diesel Duramax. What a beast that thing is. But anyway, it's a rainy day. It's gonna be raining here for a couple days. So I got the bike in the trailer. Really cool video for you guys today. Company reached out to me and wanted to send me one of their products, which is a TPS tire pressure monitoring, TPMS tire pressure monitoring system for motorcycles. So I have the product which just came. It's really cool. Says it's 3 minutes DIY install. I haven't even opened it up yet, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna install this product because you're probably just like me where you go out on a ride, and how many of us check tire pressures at every ride, which you're supposed to do. So I have a compressor in the garage, I have tire gauges in the garage, pressure gauges, I have everything. The problem is the front tire, it's not a pain in the ass, but it can be depending on the positioning of the valve stem on the fender, if it's back here, as well as if you have a bagger, I mean, it's all blocked. So what do you have to do? You got to roll the bike up, check that one, check the front one, then roll the bike some more forward and check the back one. I guess I'm assuming that's probably why we don't check tire pressures that regularly. At least I know that's why I don't check them regularly. If it was just, you know, it's really super easy, obviously, to take off the tire, you know, the valve stem cap and check your tire pressure. But the problem is the positioning of the valve stem. So anyway, a TPMS monitoring system, which this system is actually hooked up right on a app to your phone. It's Bluetooth, so you could check it, boom, super simple, super easy, and instantaneously you know the tire pressures. So before we dive into this, guys, do me a favor, go to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and click that bell so this way you guys get notified of all upcoming new videos. Do me a favor, guys, check out the merch. It helps out the channel. I really do appreciate it. I'll have the link to this product as well as the website down below in the description so you guys could check it out. Let's get to it. Let me open this puppy up right here, check it out, see what we need to install it. I don't think we need much. I think there's a little wrench actually that comes with the kit. I think that's all you need. So let's get into it. Peace of mind. All right, guys, so this is what comes in a kit. You have 2 TPMS transmitters right there. You have a wrench, looks like 2 nuts, 4 batteries. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the batteries now, and then I'll show you the next step. All right, so first steps, they give you these 2 nuts. I'm gonna use them. They're basically for people not stealing them off of your bike. Take off the valve stem cap. And then you're gonna take one of these hex nuts, screw it down all the way temporarily. Then you're gonna take one of these transmitters, and by the way, they only take 1 battery each. So the kit actually came with 4 batteries, 2 extra. So then you're gonna want to screw this on fairly quick so you don't lose any tire pressure. Okay, so you see that's on. Now you're gonna back that nut up into it and take this wrench that they give you, and you're gonna tighten just tighten. Hopefully you guys could see that. I don't know if you can. We're just gonna tighten it a little bit. But you know what? Even no matter how much you tighten it, if somebody wants to take them, they'll still be able to take them off. But I doubt they're going to be messing with your Harley, because otherwise they're going to get a beating. Let's do the back one. I had to move the bike. See, that's the thing. That's exactly what I'm talking about. Just to put these sensors on, I had to roll the bike back because the valve stems were up into the fenders. So let me go ahead and put this side on now. Really simple. Let's see if it works. I hope this system does work, because that's going to save me a headache, a lot of time, and you definitely want to know that you have correct tire pressure. Okay, and check that out. You see that? And then just back that nut just like that. Simple. That's it. There's only one thing that worries me now, which I'll only know until I ride it in a couple days after this rain has stopped. Are these sensors going to throw the balance out of the wheel? We'll only know when we ride it. I'm thinking they might. They're not heavy, they're super light, but even a little bit of weight at high speed might throw it out. So if that's the case, we might have to take that sensor off, maybe weigh it and put a weight on the opposite side of the wheel, because obviously just for these Tpms sensors, I doubt you're gonna want to take your wheels off and have them balanced again just for those. Might be a good time to install them when you're getting a excuse me, new set of tires. But like I said, I will give you an update once it stops raining, because it's been pouring out all day and it's going to be pouring out all day tomorrow. I will definitely give you guys an update and tell you if I do have any vibration on the bike. But let's, what we're going to do now is we're going to open up the app. I'm going to scan the Q code that's on the paper. I'm going to open up the app and we're going to try to set it all up, and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so let's go to the app. Where is it there? Bluetooth, okay. Like to send you notifications, allow. Use plus button to add tire positions. All right, so I'm waiting now, I guess, to get a signal from the sensor. All right, guys, so what you actually have to do is, before you even put it on, open up the app, and then while you press on the associated tire, that's when you install it. I just realized that, otherwise it won't, I guess, connect. But as you can see, this is really, really cool. So the front tire, 84 degrees, 34 PSI, and the rear tire, 80 degrees, 36 PSI. That is fantastic. So now all I have to do, that's the home screen, I guess baseline. What else do they show you here? Close app, share vehicle, auto search, settings, disable sleep, PSI, Fahrenheit. Okay, so I mean, it's super simple. Tells you the temperature, tells you the pressure. Pressures are basically where you want them to be. I think this is pretty cool. All right, guys, so as you've seen, super, super simple, but just do those steps. First, open up the app, and then one at a time, you click front tire, and then install the sensor, and then it'll read that in about 10 seconds and then do the same procedure for the back. What I did first, I installed them first. I thought that they were going to, the app was going to sense it, but it didn't work. So like I said, open up the app and then click on the tire and then install the sensor and then wait until it reads it and then do the same for the back. But anyway, I think that's pretty cool. Accurate. We'll see. As long as it senses a difference and like good example, we just went on a ride this past Sunday. We stopped at the market in Palisades, New York, and there was a whole bunch of bikes there. And actually this lady took off on her Harley and it was too late to tell her, but her back tire was like almost like flat. So, you know, if you have, because it's such a pain in the ass to check, but if you have this app that you could just open up, super simple, and you know the tire pressures immediately without even having the use of a tire gauge. So, I mean, I think it's pretty cool. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this product. The links will be below in the description to the product. And I'll definitely give you guys a review, not a review, but actually a test ride. After I do a test ride on it, I'm gonna let you know if the wheel bounce is off. If it is, I'm gonna probably wind up taking it off. But if it doesn't, that's great. Or maybe we could just do a quick fix as far as just adding a weight to the opposite side of the wheel. But I'll definitely let you guys know that. So anyway, that's it. Hopefully you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. I have another ride video coming out tomorrow that we did this past Sunday. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys on the next video on Cycle Fanatics. Take care, guys.
To the side.